are the best handbags you should get from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celesta. We talk about all things luxury shopping and handbags. If you love those things, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do post videos every week. Okay, so I figured we would start with the totes. I wanted to categorize different bags that they had, which ones I recommend. So let's just jump right into it. So the first tote we have to recommend is the Madewell tote. This originally retails for $188. It's currently on sale for $124. And the thing about this tote that really stands out to me is that it has two straps. So you can always just hold it with the top handle on the crook of your arm, you know, whatever. And if you want to, you can always throw it over your shoulder. And I love that there's such a generous strap drop with this bag, because I've had totes, especially my Dior book tote. If the strap drop is not long enough, it just doesn't fit over your shoulder, and it's so annoying, especially if you're wearing a thicker sweater, thicker coat. Like, it's just not a very practical bag. So I really like that this has two straps. It's also very low key, logo free, and we like to err on the side of caution when it comes to work bags, because you don't want to start very flashy, you know, you really want to suss out the environment first. So with that said, I think this makes for a really good first work bag, if you will. Another similar option is the Arlington tote from All Saints. This originally retails for $2.99 and is currently on sale for $1.99. It does come in two colors. It is white and tan. I've noticed a lot of tan colors with the Nordstrom anniversary sale this year, but again, very similar to the Madewell tote. I think this makes for a really good work bag, a very good like first work bag, if you will. It's not too expensive, it's very logo free, and it should be pretty practical. The last leather tote in this kind of collection is the Cole Haan tote. This retails for $2.98 and it's currently on sale for $1.99, so very similar price to the All Saints. However, this is good if you're looking for kind of a lighter color tote. I think the All Saints did come in white, but most of them are like tan, and I think that this would be perfect if you're looking for like a white, off-white, cream, that kind of color. And the only thing about this bag is that it only has like one pair of straps, so like the regular tote straps, instead of having two straps with it. Moving on to travel. Every year, Baze has some items on sale, and you guys know I'm the biggest Baze fan. I have, I think, every piece in their luggage now. I'm literally looking at an open luggage right now that I have yet to unpack, but I am a huge Baze stan. I love their stuff. I think that everything about their luggages is just very well thought out. It's designed for people who actually travel and like the little intricacies of that. I have a whole video detailing Baze and everything like that, so I'll leave that like up here for you guys or in the description box below. But I love that every year they have at least a carry-on suitcase that's on sale and like some sort of bag. They do have a couple bags this year, but I wanted to highlight the carry-on suitcase. It is absolutely stunning. I think last year they did like a blue one. It's kind of like a blue-gray, but this year I think this is so beautiful. I actually got a couple questions on this, I think on TikTok or Instagram. I do have the regular carry-on. They recently released a smaller carry-on for the size because they got in a lot of trouble about how the carry-on doesn't fit most US and international travel restrictions. I personally have never gotten stopped. I did see one time when we were actually flying from Milan to Catania in our most recent trip. She was American, and it was the way that she like went about this whole situation, it was like just very American, but that's besides the point. She had a Baze carry-on as well, but she expanded it, and that didn't fit in the overhead bin, so she had to like take out some of her stuff like literally in the aisle of the airplane, and I was like, oh my god, I can never do that. But she ended up being able to fit it over in the overhead bin, so that's probably the only thing that I'd be cautious of. But I really haven't experienced my suitcase, my carry-on, not fitting in the overhead bins. I've also never had to gate check it because it didn't fit, so that's my experience. But technically it doesn't fit all the size restrictions, so keep that in mind. However, this bag currently retails for $238 and it's on sale for $162, which in my opinion is a steal. If you're looking for a bigger check-in bag, they do have Monos on sale. This currently retails for $405 and it's on sale for $2.99. I personally have never used Monos, but I've heard really good things about this brand, so maybe something worth checking out. And the last travel bag, this could be like a travel bag. This could also be like a sports, like workout duffel too, if you need like a gym bag. But Dagny Dover duffel is also on sale. I believe this was on sale last year. It really depends on kind of what color is on sale, but this retails for $215 and it's on sale for $145. I feel like this color is just really gender neutral, and I think you can definitely keep this for yourself or give this as a gift to someone as well. Okay, moving over to Longchamp, one of my favorites. I feel like they're always on sale at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and it really just depends on like what color. They have 3 different styles that I wanted to highlight. So the first one being the viral Longchamp pouch, like the mini toiletry pouch, which I personally have punched in 2 holes on the side and then added in a strap. I love that. I also love that if I'm not using it as a bag, or if I don't want to use it as a bag anymore, I can just put in makeup, medicine, like whatever I've been using. One of the Longchamp pouches that I have literally just like for medicine when I'm traveling. So I feel like it's just nice to have. It's a beautiful color. It's about $70, so about $20 off the retail price. And then if you're interested in punching the holes and that whole tutorial, I'll leave it in the description box below for you. They also have the large Longchamp, and personally that is my favorite tote size. I used to have the small, or I think it was like rebranded to the medium, but that one was fine. I think that was better for like day trips versus the large was something that I was able to use for work. Like I was able to fit, I think, a 13 or 15 inch laptop in there, and it just fit a lot more. And I kind of loved that it was like a little bit of a slouchier look compared to the medium one, which I used to have, because it was smaller, just like didn't slouch as much. So I kind of liked the slouchy look. So I would definitely recommend picking this up if you are eyeing a Longchamp. I do think that the colors that they have this year are really nice. Lastly, of course, I believe this is a Nordstrom exclusive because I've never seen it at the Longchamp boutique, but they do have an expandable tote bag. So I have the expandable duffel, which I love. More often than not, I do end up expanding it, and I think this is really good if you're unsure about which size you want, or if you're planning to just use this as your everyday bag. I think this is perfect because you can keep it smaller if you don't have that much stuff to carry, and then worst case scenario, you need to carry more things, you need to carry an extra jacket, you know, whatever, you're able to just expand the bag. I will say, when this bag is expanded, it's not cute. Like, it looks a little bit funny, but I feel like we're going for like function and practicality over style these days, especially with Longchamp. So I highly recommend picking this up. If you are unable to score this during the anniversary sale, I have seen on Nordstrom Rack as well, sometimes they have the expandable version just in different colors that may be different from the anniversary sale. Over to Coach's Chelsea Pebble top handle bag. This is kind of that classic hobo style bag that is giving like early 2000s, and I kind of love it. It currently retails for $295 and it's on sale for just under $200. I really like this bag because it comes with a top handle strap which you can just throw over your shoulder, but it also comes with an adjustable and removable crossbody strap, so in case you just need to be hands-free, that's an option as well. Overall, I think this bag would make for a really good everyday bag. And last but certainly not least, we have to highlight JW Pay. I've been doing like Nordstrom sale analysis for the last couple years, and this is the first time that I've noticed that they have JW Pay or multiple JW Pay bags on sale. So we have to start with the one that I love the most, which is the JW Pay Gabby bag. This is a little bit different than the one that I have. It's like quilted, but nevertheless, I use that bag all the time, especially for like going out festivals when I don't really want to like baby that bag. Like, that's the bag that I bring. I think this is a really good bag to add to your collection. It's $30 off compared to retail, which I think is a really good deal. If you're looking for something that's going to be a little bit more of like an everyday bag, the Joy bag I think is really good. I actually gave this to my best friend and she loves this bag. It has a magnetic closure, it fits everything that you need to, and I love that the strap doubles up so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, and it's kind of a longer shoulder bag, so it sits about like right here for you instead of sitting like just under your armpit, right? So if you have a longer shoulder strap, you can wear a thicker sweater with it, thicker coat. It's just a little bit more comfortable to wear for every day. But if you don't want to wear it as a shoulder bag, you can actually extend the strap and wear it as a crossbody. And it's actually a really good size to wear as a crossbody because sometimes it's a little bit too big, if that makes sense. It just like doesn't look good proportionally. So I feel like that's a really good size you can use as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody. The last one is really like just for looks. I actually have this in black with the silver crystals, and this is the Abacus bag. I would say it's the most similar to the Jody, except somehow smaller and more useless. If you are looking for a statement bag, if you're looking for like kind of a going out, like that kind of thing, I think this is perfect. This is gonna fit a couple cards and a lip gloss and not much more, but I do think it's a really cute statement bag to add to your collection. I did a full Nordstrom discount analysis. I'll leave it in the description box below. This includes like beauty, shoes, clothes, bags, accessories, because you should never pay full price for designer sunglasses. I'll leave that all there along with some of my favorites. I added like a little notes column so you can see like which ones are my favorites. So I hope this is helpful for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys are eyeing during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I feel like there's just so much on the website that I get a little overwhelmed. And so if you have any favorites, please let me know in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave another video for you guys here and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!